And number 18, a survey was taken of the value of homes in a county, and it was found that the mean home value was 165,000 and the median home value was 125,000, which of the following situation could explain the difference between the mean and the median home values in the country. All right. So we know the mean is 165 and the median is 125,000. So the mean is higher than the median, right? So the mean is higher than the median. Well, what's the mean? So the mean is the average, right? So mean is the average. So pretty much we add up all the houses, the total value divided by however many houses we have, right? That will be the mean. So means the average, and then the median is the middle number. So we put all the values in order from least to greatest. The number in the middle, that'll be the median, right? So if the median and the mean are different, so ideally, right, if we have a list of number that are all symmetrical, right? So in statistic is called like if they're normally distributed, then everything is symmetrical, then ideally the mean and the median should be right around the middle. Okay, they should be the same, right? If it's all symmetrical on both sides and everything. Okay, but in this case, they're not the same and the mean is higher. So that means we must have some number in statistic. It will look like this. We will have a tail and then it's skewed to the right. Okay, so we have a long tail to the right. So that means we have some houses that have a very high value that pull up the overall average. Okay, so the mean is greater than the median. Okay, we know we should have a couple houses, right? That's really valuable. So say in the community, most of the houses like maybe $300,000, but we have like 4 or 5 houses that are like, $5 million, right? So you see that will pull up the overall average, right? So the mean is higher than the median. So the median won't change as much because the middle was still around the middle, but the mean will be a lot higher because there are some houses as with more. Okay, so then we'll say when the mean is higher than the median, then there should be a few homes that value much more than the rest. Okay, so we have some outliers. Okay, positive outlier that pull out the average, right? Okay, so you don't have to know these graphs just to illustrate what it looks like in statistic, but here, if the mean is higher than the median, you want to remember we have some positive outliers that pull up the average of the price. All right, so C should be the answer for number 18.